Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So in this program, we will take the temperature of hot reservoir is equal to 32 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 305 Kelvin, and the temperature of cold reservoir is 24 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 297 Kelvin. We can find the maximum coefficient of performance by using formula, which is equal to Tc divided by Th minus Tc. We will substitute the values as temperature of cold reservoir is 297 Kelvin divided by temperature of hot reservoir is 305 Kelvin minus 297 Kelvin. When we solve this, we get maximum coefficient of performance is equal to 37. Now we can find SEER max by using formula 3.4 into COP max. So we will substitute 3.4 multiplied by 37. When we solve this, we get SEER max is equal to 126, which is the answer of this question.